according to space weather, a solar storm is set to pummel Earth in hours after a huge hole opens up in the sun. A solar storm is set to hit parts of the Earth in just hours after a coronal hole opened up in the sun. NOAA Space Weather Prediction Center issued a geomagnetic storm watch. Solar storms are set to pummel Earth after a series of eruptions from the sun sent plasma blasting towards the planet. The particles racing to Earth prompted NOAA Space Weather Prediction Center to issue a geomagnetic storm watch for Monday and Tuesday. And during significant solar storms, power blackouts can occur, communication systems can be disrupted. A solar flare last month caused a moderate HF radio blackout event November 28 over parts of the Pacific Ocean, according to NOAA. The storms on Tuesday, today, will likely not cause disruptions but could make the aurora borealis and northern lights brighter and more visible further south. Tuesday geomagnetic storm watch warned of the minor G1 level storms that are likely throughout the day today. The series of storms Monday and Tuesday were prompted by a coronal hole high-speed stream. The NOAA has a 5-point scale for rating solar storms from G1 to G5. The storms on Tuesday, today that is, are predicted to be G1, while those on Thursday could reach G2 levels. So it's just now coming in, starting today. Stronger storms can affect satellite navigations and low-frequency radio navigation, but most don't have much of an impact on the general public. However, solar storms can increase the chance of seeing the northern lights, aurora borealis, further away from the North Pole. Solar flares are measured in 5 categories, with M-class and X-class being the strongest. An X-class flare can release as much energy as 1 billion atom bombs, according to NASA. You can imagine. So what is a coronal hole high-speed stream? This type of high-speed stream, which is the cause of the latest storms, is different from the coronal mass ejection CME. Last week, that latter caused solar flares which triggered a G3 solar storm. While CMEs typically hit the Earth within 1 to 3 days, coronal holes can have delayed impacts. A coronal hole appears as a large black area on the sun's surface because it lacks plasma, which has instead traveled out into space. Because of the sun's spin, a coronal hole can sometimes hit the Earth twice. The sun spins every 27 days, meaning the coronal hole can strike the Earth in 27-day intervals. And this is on Express UK by Matthew Dooley. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. My Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.